Hey everyone, welcome to Cryptoclarity. My name is Sahil, and in today's video, I will be doing something special for you all. I will be creating a tutorial for everyone to understand how to set up Metamask Wallet, which is a really essential wallet in crypto world right now because you can store Ethereum on it and other tokens as well. And you can use Web3 websites like OpenSea and other websites like Rarible as well to transact over them and also buy NFTs and other crypto currencies as well. So this video will be a quick and short one, and I want to quickly show it to you on my computer and show it to you how we set it up. So let's get right into it. So the first step is to download MetaMask on your browser, and for that you have to go to metamask.io. So if you click on metamask.io and click on download now, that's where you will get MetaMask extension for your browser. So you have to understand that it is an extension on the browser, not a separate application. So if you want to do that, you can do that on your iOS device or Android device or any web browser as well. So I'm using Brave browser here, so it automatically pops up to that, and I will just click install MetaMask to Brave. So it'll give me an option. It will show the overview, privacy practices, and reviews. If you want to see that, you can also see that. Just to know more, you can see that there are more than 7 million users to this. And yeah, you will get the information regarding um, the technicalities of the wallet. So I will just click add to Brave. It will ask me add as an extension. Let's do that. And yeah, it will take a couple of minutes, and it will pop up in my browser. I will just show you how to do that. Say it's here, adding to Brave, and then it will pop up somewhere around here, I think so. Yep, see that it gives us a pop-up and also takes us to the setting up page. So you can either import a wallet in this step, or you can create a new wallet. And for this tutorial's purpose, I will create a new wallet. We see here, it will say get started. I'll pin MetaMask to my tab, and I can use it anytime. Then I'll click on get started. So they have two options here, which is one of which is you already have a recovery phrase, and you can import a current wallet if you have already got that. And the second one is yes, let's get set up, and this will create a new wallet for you. So I will do this. I already have my wallet set up, but I will not use that right now. I will just create a new wallet. So yeah, just read the instructions and see that they say they will allow you to opt in via settings, and they are anonymous and anonymized clicks and page view events, and they don't collect your IP address or sell your data for profit, which is a purpose of blockchain and decentralized apps. So that's what they are stating here. And I'll click on I agree. It will ask me to set up a password. I'll do that quickly. Don't set it up to password at the rate 123, guys. That's a really common password. Guys working in IT will understand this. Enter the match. Okay, now it does match, and I will click create. Now you will get a um, secure wallet screen. You can watch the video, and I will just press next. And this is the step that is really important in setting up any kind of wallet. So this is a secret backup phrase which you will use to even recover or import it in future. So you have to keep this really safe. Either keep it in a separate hardware device which is backed up. So they also say it here: download this secret backup phrase and keep it stored safely on an extremely external encrypted hard drive or storage medium. So this is the real important key for importing this to any other device as well, and also for your own use. So remember this, guys, this is the most important step. You have to keep this safe, and never let it give it to anyone else also. So you can use any password manager or something like that. I will click the secret phrase. We'll copy this, because in the next step they will ask me to select these as a phrase, and I will have to make that previous sentence that I got, and I will have to select these in the same order as it was in the password recovery phase. So I will do this. Prefer thought. Prefer thought. Quick snack. Where you have to understand this, guys, that this is for multi-level security. It's like a 2FA system. So this makes the wallet really secure, and obviously you have the password already with it, and this will make it better. So I will just do that. Rabbit. I'll confirm this, and it will say, yeah, it will give the instructions again. You can save it for future, but it will also show up here. So once I click all done, we'll give the new features and best practices as well. You can read them on your own time, and you will see the wallet here. So now you're ready for using MetaMask wallet, and your address will be here. This is your Ethereum address. So if you click copy to clipboard, it will copy your Ethereum address. If you want to get money from someone into this account, you can give them this address. And yeah, so I can even swap. This will be using other tokens as well. So all Ethereum smart contract based token, they will show up here. If you want to add a specific token, I would the best practice would be to go to any website like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and take the contract ID from there, because there are sometimes token with the same name that they can be scams as well, because when people know that people are spending and sending money to wallets, they create the ones with same name, so that if you send it by mistake to those wallets, you will never get them back. And you have to do your own diligence here, and find the right contract address on Gecko. So if I want to add any specific ERC20 token, I will just go to, like, if I think it should be chain link, and yeah, see this. So you will see the MetaMask option, or you can just copy here. I will also copy here, and it will also show you on the Explorer Etherscan, which is also a MetaMask option, you see. So I will copy this. I will add token, say paste, it automatically pops up, and then I will go next. See, this is added. I'll go back and it will show up here. So this is the best practice to use, because that way you know that you're clicking on the right address and sending it on the right wallet. So you can even use this in other cryptocurrencies as well. So you can even swap these two or any other if you want, and that's the best part about MetaMask, that it is great for interoperability between different cryptocurrencies, and you can also use it in buying NFTs. I will click on OpenSea IO. Then you can also give access to this wallet. If you click here, will give us a sign-in option. So any decentralized app or something that is on the blockchain, you can use MetaMask for it. And you will click next, and it will ask for your signatures, a virtual signature, and then you can just click connect. This will connect in a while, and then it will open up the whole marketplace for you. And yeah, it will copy this address as a MetaMask address, same one. And then you can go to your marketplace and start buying stuff, spend money. That's it, guys. So yeah, that should be it for the video. I hope this was simple for you guys, and you use this in future as well, because this is something we are going to use for buying different kind of products online through Ethereum, where different blockchains and cryptocurrencies are used more often. We will be using wallets like these, so it's best to get educated now, and help yourself and help your close ones and friends as well. So that's it for the video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.